Welcome to Black Ops. Now today I'm going to be doing zombies. Now I like doing Des Year in Cendric. It's good. I like it, to be honest with you. So you just adjust my camera right for the TV. There we go. Okay. Germans these days. Okay, I'm going to be talking about future references. Now, let's get on this Battlefield 1. Can I skip, please? Because I'm trying to talk here and it's getting very disrespectful right now. Okay, I guess we're gonna have to wait for this.
Supposed to go.
Just skip. Continue. Okay. Now, let's get on Battlefield 1. If you guys now. I'm a die-hard fan of Battlefield. I don't know what it is about Battlefield. I just love it. This Battlefield 1 trailer, I first saw the release trailer. Boy, that game right there, that's really gonna sell that's really gonna sell. It's gonna sell hella copies. Right? Now, everybody knows Call of Duty's coming out. If I get Call of Duty, I am gonna do little stories on it, little entries and stuff on it and stuff. But everyone knows Call of Duty was fine with Black Ops 1 and Modern Warfare series. Those are the series we need us to stick with. But Infinite Warfare, I don't think I'm gonna. How's the online play gonna look? Fighting in space. That's something that I do not want to do. So I'm going to try to get out the way before my video ends. Because I end them very shortly, then I do other videos. That's the kind of person I am. I just like doing videos. I just started my channel. Now I might start a different channel for funny videos and stuff. But we'll see what this ends. And the reason why I do Black Ops 3 because Black Ops has got very popular. Oh god. With these updates and stuff, the MVP, oh shit. Okay. Yeah. Headshots all the way. Oh, what the? It's
allows me to reflect on the questions before us. What forces does Richtofen seek to harness? Does he really change for the better?
Personally am not a fan of how they're doing crappy things with Call of Duty. I'm still on that team. Now, everyone knows that Call of Duty